Alright, we're back. This time we're going to do a 36-inch wheel. It was bigger than we did last time. I still recommend that you find yourself a friend and do it with two people. I'm going to show you how we can do it with one person. It's a little more strenuous to say the least, but with a simple strap, from a tie-down strap, you're able to do it without cutting the tire. Of course, this only works on the spoke wheels. It won't work on your solid disc. What we're going to do is take this strap, wrap it as tight as you can around the area of one of these spokes. This is going to work the same way as those clamps that everyone's talking about, without the risk of it cutting into the rubber and creating a fracture later on. When you get to the last part of your strap, instead of trying to tie a knot, you're going to tuck it underneath. The tension of the rubber will be able to bite on that. Now again, when we're stretching these tires on, instead of stretching the entire tire and fighting all of this, we're really trying to focus our stretching in one area. This will be easier to do, and you'll be able to follow it all the way around. And being a little bit of a contortionist, you'll be able to get it without having to call your neighbor over to help you. So starting out, just like we did before with the two-man tug-of-war, I'm going to put my hand against this first part, and I'll focus all my stretching up on top. Tires on. One-man stretch on, not near as fun as the 2-second with two people, but it's possible. Take your strap off, and you'll see there's no trauma to the rubber. You still have to add the glue with the dowel to help equalize the stretching. Please do it on a clean wheel. We didn't clean this one yet, which made it more difficult.